Why did you choose to come to Malaysia?
Because of Petronas Towers, actually, and Langkawi Sky Bridge. You know, when you dream and see some places, they seem to be quite unreachable. It was a nice feeling. Come there, to see that.
Would you recommend your friends to come to Malaysia?
Yes, of course. And actually, it's so digitalized. So I came from Serbia. My eyes just all around because so many shops, so many
Rice buildings.
Yes, high rise.
Enjoy your travel.
Thank you.
Kate, macam mana dekat Malaysia? Best tak?
Best tak?
Best?
Best.
Macam mana perasaan? How you feel in Malaysia?
Okay, ini pertama kali saya di Malaysia dan saya sangat suka Pulau Langkawi dan saya berharap bahwa tahun depan saya akan berkunjung ke Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur,
ya.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Selamat datang di channel Ami Story. Hari ini kita akan bongkar satu fenomena yang benar-benar mengejutkan ramai orang. Bayangkan, ratusan warga Rusia sanggup datang jauh ke Malaysia bukan sekadar melancong, tetapi belajar bahasa Melayu sampai fasih bercakap seperti rakyat tempatan. Apa sebenarnya yang membuat mereka jatuh cinta dengan negara ini? Adakah karena makanan, budaya, atau keramahan rakyat Malaysia sendiri? Jom kita dengarkan kisah yang penuh bangga dan menyentuh hati ini.
Hi, I'm Paulina. I live in Sabah, Malaysia with my family. We moved here from Russia almost a year ago. I absolutely love Malaysia. The nature, the people, the peace. And I've decided to start sharing my impressions of this beautiful country, just the way I feel it. Today I felt like taking a quiet walk. I went to my favorite park, Taman Botani Putrajaya. The air was warm and everything felt slow in the best way. The park welcomed me like an old friend, soft, green and open. I took a coffee and sat by the lake. I think it's the best place for introvert people. This is part 1 of my quiet day in the park. Part 2 is coming soon. Stay tuned.
Before I moved to Malaysia from Russia, I believed 5 things about this country. It was all wrong. Number 1. I thought it was dangerous for a woman alone walking on the street. Wrong. Number 2. I thought the heat would kill me. Half wrong, because it's aircon everywhere and I learned how to use them. Number 3. I thought I will be always outsider in Malaysia because I'm foreigner. But Malaysians never made me feel like that, not even once. I thought Malaysian food was just spicy. Well, I have to apologize to every dish I dismissed. Number 5, I thought my husband will take second wife. I'm kidding, I would never let him do that. Saya masih di sini and I'm not leaving.
Mengunjungi tempat yang menarik di sini. Gajah ini sangat menarik ya, dan saya kagum ya dan senang hati berada di sini. Terima kasih banyak.
Where you come from?
Saya dari Rusia, dari Moskow. Nama saya Olga.
Why did you choose to come to Malaysia?
Because of Petronas Towers, actually, and Langkawi Sky Bridge. You know, when you dream and see some places, they seem to be quite unreachable. It was a nice feeling. Come there, to see that.
Would you recommend your friends to come to Malaysia?
Yes, of course. And actually, it's so digitalized. So I came from Serbia. My eyes just all around because so many shops, so many
Rice buildings.
High rise.
Enjoy your travel.
Thank you.
So, what do you think about Malaysia?
I've seen some videos, but I didn't know much about Malaysia.
All right.
Yes,
okay.
I've heard about Kuala Lumpur. Yes, it's a big, beautiful city, but I've never been here.
Okay.
Yes,
So after you came to Malaysia, then what do you experiencing that surprising you?
I didn't expect Kuala Lumpur such a big city and too many cuisines
Alright.
here. Yes, I love eating. I like different cuisines from different countries and a lot of here. Yes, so yes, I can eat every time. I can eat something new.
How are you? Baik. Boleh cakap Melayu tak? Boleh. Apa yang awak tahu cakap? Awak makan apa?
Saya makan aglio-olio kering.
Ha?
Aglio-olio.
Oh, aglio-olio. Awak kampung kat mana?
Saya kampung Rusia.
I'm Daria, I'm from Russia, and this is my first time wearing hijab since I'm Orthodox Christian. And when you go into church in Russia, you have to wear a scarf. It's like a must. So you wear it like this, usually like this. But for hijab, it's a little bit different, but still almost the same.
Ramai warga Rusia yang datang ke Malaysia mengaku mereka sangat selesa dengan suasana kehidupan di sini. Mereka kagum melihat rakyat Malaysia yang mudah tersenyum, sopan ketika bercakap, dan saling menghormati antara kaum. Bagi mereka, bahasa Melayu bukan sekedar bahasa komunikasi, tetapi bahasa yang penuh adab dan kelembutan. Ada yang sanggup belajar setiap hari hanya untuk memudahkan urusan dan mendekatkan diri dengan masyarakat tempatan. Mereka berasa bangga apabila dapat memesan makanan dalam bahasa Melayu, berbual dengan orang ramai. Malah ada yang sudah mula mengajar bahasa Melayu kepada rakan-rakan mereka sendiri. Lebih menarik, ramai pelajar Rusia memilih Malaysia sebagai tempat belajar karena kos pendidikan yang lebih berpatutan, suasana aman, dan kehidupan modern yang sangat selesa. Mereka melihat Malaysia sebagai negara yang unik karena memiliki berbagai budaya, tetapi masih hidup dalam keadaan harmoni. Namun, dalam masa yang sama, kisah ini memberi satu tamparan lembut kepada kita sendiri. Kadang-kadang, rakyat tempatan malu menggunakan bahasa Melayu, sedangkan orang luar pula bersungguh-sungguh mempelajarinya. Kita sepatutnya lebih menghargai bahasa, budaya, dan identitas negara sendiri. Karena inilah kekuatan sebenar Malaysia di mata dunia.
Kate, macam mana dekat Malaysia? Best tak?
Best?
Best?
Best.
Macam mana perasaan? How you feel in Malaysia?
Okay, ini pertama kali saya di Malaysia. Dan saya sangat suka Pulau Langkawi. Dan saya berharap bahwa tahun depan saya akan berkunjung ke Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur,
ya.
Kena datang Kuala Lumpur.
Ya.
Best makanan di sini best ke? Makanan?
Best kok.
Makanan? Food?
Saya tahu.
Okay. Di Langkawi?
Di Langkawi, ya. Semua makanan di Malaysia sangat pedas. Pedas, ya.
Okay. Nice meet you, Kate.
Nice to meet you.
Hi everyone, my name is Selena. I'm from Russia. I'm a student in University Tun Abdul Razak in Malaysia. Currently, I'm studying software engineering in Uni Razak in Malaysia. I've chosen Uni Razak because of multiple reasons. First is its strategic location. This is the only university that is located in KL city center, and it's very close to MRT and LRT as well, which is very beneficial for students. Secondly, this university is approved by NQA, and your international degree will be recognized worldwide, including countries like Australia, Singapore, Ireland, and the UK. Third, and the most important reason, is that you are getting English-based international degree recognizable worldwide for the reasonable prices compared to other countries. So guys, I really recommend you to come and study in Malaysia. And to my Russian fellows, ребята, вы должны приехать в Малайзию для того, чтобы учиться, потому что эта страна, это прекрасная страна с добрыми людьми и с прекрасной культурой, также с хорошим образованием. Я советую вам, приезжайте. We are waiting for you. Thank you.
Hari ini my mom coba mie udang. Special. You want to see my mom reaction? Let's go. Oh my god, my mom says spicy, but we asking no spicy. Oh my god. Mom say okay, it's okay. Ну что, как, мам?
Very sedap, but spicy.
Guys, we ordered set, but we don't know what kind of set. Just look how many things came. Oh my god. Tom yum, veggie, salad, sotong, and they say to eating ikan bakar lagi. Oh my god. Mom trying soup tom yum. Вкусно? Spicy. Spice. Guys, please us know what is this? Ikan dah sampai. Have a good meal, mommy.
Вот и гони лампу. Thank you.
Hari ini my mom nak cuba nasi ayam penyet. RM8. Satu. Okay. First bite. Already have good soup. Очень вкусно. Вкусно. Mom say so sedap. Ada soup, sambai itu add lagi. And ayam. Вкусно. Okay.
Kesimpulannya, apa yang berlaku ini membuktikan bahwa Malaysia mempunyai sesuatu yang sangat bernilai bukan saja dari segi pembangunan, tetapi juga jiwa masyarakat dan bahasanya. Jangan sampai orang luar lebih menghargai bahasa Melayu daripada kita sendiri. Gunakan bahasa kita dengan bangga, jaga adab ketika bercakap, dan terus tunjukkan keramahan rakyat Malaysia kepada dunia. Kalau Anda suka video seperti ini, jangan lupa tekan like, komen, dan subscribe channel Ami Story untuk lebih banyak kisah menarik dan menyentuh hati. Terima kasih kerana menonton, jumpa lagi dalam video seterusnya.